Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40-W-system quad. It is a quad mount, four-sided, 4-inch system, wireless system clock. And as you can see, we have power coming out of the top, it's 120 volt plug-in, and then it's 900 megahertz wireless, and it's receiving the wireless transmission of the clock correction from EasyTime, which is being run on this computer, and then we're outputting the wireless data on this DCMT-W, USB-W, and it's transmitting to the quad, and it does have store and forward. As you can see, when it receives the correction, the colon flashes and then resends it, and then you see the decimal point flash. It's hung by these 4 5/16 eye bolts, and basically it's part of a larger system. It's going into Lowe's distribution center, and this one is going to be hung in a centrally located area where obviously you can see it from 4 sides. So, but this one here is being controlled by EasyTime. There are other master clocks that we do make. The network, we have a network master clock. We have a GPS network wireless master clock, or you can connect it to a control your own, I guess if you will, wireless master clock. And then there obviously is part of a system. So, but it will free run. If it does not get the data, it will free run on its own until it does sync up with the rest of the system. There is a 1,500 foot range on the wireless link within line of sight, 1,500 feet. If you're going through walls and or obstructions, we say claim 300. Again, this is a DC-40-W-system-quad. Thank you.